Well, folks, I am officially hungry right now. It's about 2:30. Haven't eaten since 7. And what's really in my head right now is last night, my wife and I and my family, my sister and dad, we all went out to dinner. And it was a good dinner. And there were a whole bunch of leftovers that I brought home. So there's some quality leftovers at my house right now. I think there's a chicken sandwich, maybe some hamburgers. I know there's macaroni and cheese, French fries. I want to go home. I want to eat. But not until I crank out, what, 4 more videos or 5 more videos, okay? So here we go. Let's do this. We're talking about multiplying numbers written in scientific notation. Here's our first one. If I can figure out how to use this. Dun, 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 dun. Right there. Now, I realize I'm not the best math teacher at times because my vocabulary is really lame. But multiply the numbers, and you're going to say, but Mr. Barr, these are all numbers. Look, there's a 10 and a 2 and a 3. Okay. And you didn't know that's what you sound like when I talk for you. Mr. Barr, oh, I don't understand. Yep, that's what you sound like. And I know this is what I sound like to you. Wah, 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 number, wah, 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 math. Okay. We both have to learn to speak each other's languages. So, multiply the numbers, add the exponents, keep the base 10. Watch this. What's a 3 times a 2? A 3 times a 2 is a 6. Keep my base 10, add these exponents. What's a 2 plus a 4? That is a 6. So what's really happening here is this is 3 times 10 times 10. Cool. 3 times 10 squared times 2 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. That's what's happening. If I expand this out, there are all those 10s. The 3 and the 2 are going to become a 6. And 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 is 10 to the 6th. Once again, exponents are a really logical thing. Here's the next one. Multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. And then negative 1 plus 9. Negative 1 plus 9, or 9 minus 1, is 8. Done. That's it. What am I telling you to do? Multiply the numbers and add the bases. Keep that base 10. And this is a bar bonus one. I just kind of thought I'd make something up here. Let's go with, it's a big good one. I like this one. 6 times 10 to the 5th times 4 times 10 to the 3rd. 6 times 10 to the 5th times 4 times 10 to the 3rd. All right, let's start with the basic thing. I said multiply the numbers. 6 times 4 is 24. Times 10 to the 8th, right? But the problem is, this is no longer in scientific notation. We lost it. So ignore the 10 to the whatever right now. I'm going to put this post-it note there. Ignore that. I know this is math 4 on it. Ignore that too. Ignore everything. Ignore this whole video. All right. What is 24 written in scientific notation? Well, that's 2.4 times 10 to the 1st, right? 1 decimal jump. 1 decimal jump. Now let's bring this back into it. Times 10 to the 8th. Oh, so I have 2.4 times, I have a 10 to the 1st and a 10 to the 8th. How many 10s? 10 to the 9th. And that was your Mr. Barr bonus problem. Man, you feel like you got your money's worth today? Being a Krakorian, you go out to the movies, you pay $10 to get in. Do you feel like you got your money's worth? It depends on what you saw. I'm trying to think. Worst movie I ever saw. I've walked out of one at least. What was it? Oh, it was so bad. It hurts. You pay $10 to get in, and it's so bad that you walk out, you just feel ripped off. That's why I like renting videos. You know, $1.50 or something. You don't feel so ripped off. Hey, that's it. I'm done talking. Bye.